What's going on? It's Quadrone Dude, aka Mark Planty, and I bring you guys a foam plate RC plane. It's running Jump Jet Electronics nano motors with nano propellers, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Just I randomly decided to cut foam out and try to build a plane, and I know it looks ridiculous, but we'll see if he flies. I got my phone right now taped to my controller. I usually hot glue it, but I have no glue, so I went ghetto and used tape, so I at least have, so I can fly at the same time, record you guys, or for you guys. Good to go. Okay, so he needs a little bit of trimming. Them trims. Alright, here we go again. There we go, that's better. Get a little bit more control. Okay, that should do it. Sorry, guys. The thing is, I gotta hit the controller, like hit the throttle, and then hit a button so I can actually use differential motor for steering. So it's a little harder. Oh, I had to do a quick crash. Thought I was gonna hit the building. Alright, we go again. Oop, clip the tree. Come around the tree. It needs a little bit more trimming. Hopefully you guys can actually see him fly and everything. I mean, like, he does fly. That was a horrible toss-off. He definitely needs to be trimmed out. Let's touch more. But that's all I got for you guys now until, like I said, I'd trim them out a little bit better and actually make them like easier to fly. But other than that, if you guys like these little builds, put up a thumbs up. Other than that, I'm signing out.